Hey guys, Patrick Johnston, managing broker, co-owner of GoDominicanLife.com and Las Terrenas Life.com, your real estate company throughout the Dominican Republic. Look, this club, this restaurant is unique. It is a French-owned restaurant in the heart of Las Terrenas, and most importantly, when I travel around for business Monday to Wednesday, I am for sure back by Thursday at noon. Why? Because 80s and 90s night with Lucien is here. This is what you're gonna see. Check it out. Oh, yes. See, I go there every Thursday night for 80s and 90s night because I lose my voice. I think I'm 18 to 24 years old again. And it's just so wonderful to hear what the music of your soul and your past in your mind right here at the beach. So we're gonna see you soon. Don't forget to check me out on WhatsApp. If you need me for anything, 829-525-1782. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you at the beach.